Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pumpkin carving with what we believe is the best Pumpkin Masters carving kit available, the Shuttle Art 20 PCS Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. This kit is a game-changer for Halloween enthusiasts and carving aficionados alike. Let's break down what makes it stand out from the rest. First off, this kit comes fully loaded with 10 high-quality stainless steel carving tools and 10 pumpkin stencils. From precise sculpting to intricate etching, this set has everything you need to unleash your creativity and carve the perfect jack-o'-lantern. One of the standout features of this kit is the comfort and durability of the tools. The handles are made of soft rubber, making them comfortable to hold for extended carving sessions. Plus, all the blades are securely connected to the handles, so you can carve with confidence without worrying about blades falling off or rusting. But what really sets this kit apart is how easy it is to use, especially with the included stencils and user manual. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time carver, the step-by-step instructions and variety of stencil designs make creating a masterpiece a breeze. And when you're done carving, cleanup is a cinch. The tools are dishwasher safe, and they come with a convenient carrying case for easy storage until next Halloween. So, if you're ready to take your pumpkin carving game to the next level, look no further than the Shuttle Art 20 PCS Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy carving!